Hi there guys, and welcome to the watch channel. We have another special watch for you today, and the model on offer this time is the Seiko Samurai Special Edition SRPH11K1. This is a limited edition Black Series model. They are very coveted. I know I previously had the turtle version of this, regrettably sold it, which was a stupid thing to do. But like I say, they are very coveted, and they've got a beautiful colourway on them. I'll put some pictures and video up for you now so you can see it. But the special offer for viewers and subscribers to the watch channel is the watch going for $399 including delivery. Just enter the code that I'm putting in the video right now, and like I say, yeah, you'll be able to get that for the reduced price of $399 including delivery. Again, just to be clear, we aren't making anything from this. It's just a gesture of thanks to you guys as viewers and subscribers of the channel. Anyway, I hope that you do like this offer. Please, if you do feel that you like the content, do consider subscribing and liking the video. But other than that, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.